How to fix Instagram music problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram music problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to the apps right here. You need to wait a few seconds, and after that all what you have to do now is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now click here on force stop and then go down to the storage. Click here on clear data and clear cache and then go back to the settings on your phone and go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it again. And that's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end.